Um, this is the asynchronic activity. Here's the exercise one. In order to buy a car and you ask for a loan of $10,000 payable during 3 years with semi-annual payments and an interest rate of 12% compounded semi-annually. Find the amount of every payment and the amortization table. So the first step is identify what that important for this problem. So with B are 10,000 for the interest rate R is equal to 12%, that is 0.12. The other P is equal to the component here, that is 2 because it's seminally. N is equal to the time, that is 3 years between two, which is compounded. I is equal to the interest rate, 0.12, divided to the component, that is 2. Now, this is the formula that I follow, and I'm substitute the data. 10,000 divided by 1 minus open parentheses 1 plus 0.12 divided by 2 to the close parentheses to the potential of minus 3. The 2 is eliminated because it's like the fraction 2 over 1, and the 2 is eliminated. And this is divided by 0.12 over 2. And this gives me 3,741.09. And now these data are going to Excel. Here is these are the periods. First, we have to define the periods, which is the multiplication of the problem says that is 3 years, multiplied by 2, that is similarly, that gives 6. The initial balance, the first square is 10,000. The rent is that the problem gives 3,741.09. The interest is a formula to calculate, that is the initial balance multiplied by E, that is 0.12 divided by 2. The amortization is another formula, that is the rent minus the interest, that's given, and the final balance is the initial balance minus the amortization, and gives this. And the final balance of the period 1 are the initial balance of the period 2, and the same happen in the other squares. Now, so here is the table of amortization of this problem. In the period 3, the debt will have already been paid off. Now we go to the second exercise that says a debt of 50,000 has to be paid in 5 years with annual payments at an interest rate of 8% compounded monthly. Find the amount of every payment on the amortization table. We now separate the data that the problem say B is equal to 500,000, R is equal to 0.08, and the other B is the compounded monthly. That means that is the amount that one year have 12 months. For the I is 0.08 divided by 12, and for the N is 5 years divided by 12. And this is the formula that I follow, and this is the formula that substitutes with the data. This is eliminate, all this give me this. That is 102,008.85. And now I'm going to the table of amortization in Excel. The problem says that the years is 5, and this 5 is multiplied by 12. That is the month. And this gives me 16. The initial balance is that the problem said 500,000. The rent is that the problems gives. The interest is the initial balance multiplied by the interest rate divided by monthly 12. The amortization is the rent minus interest, and the final balance is the initial balance minus the amortization, and the final balance is the same that put in the period 2 of initial balance. And this all this give me. So in the period 5, the debt will have already been paid off approximately. And that's it. Thank you.